All right, update on my passion fruit plant. My passion fruit plant has died. The original one that I planted died. The passion fruit plants only last about 6 to 7 years, and this one is over 6 years old now, not quite 7, and it died. But the good news is I planted that one back on the other side over there when this original one had gotten almost all the way, grew all the way almost to the end, and then I planted the new one. It started coming back from the other side, and it has woven itself in to the old one, and you can see the little sprouts of life all through there. So within probably a couple of months, this will all be looking beautiful again, thanks to the fact that I planted one on the other side. And yeah, it should just take a couple of months and it'll be beautiful. So that's something to remember when planting passion fruit. They only last about 6 to 7 years, so plan accordingly.